The smooth-running EA288 evo engine is fitted in many models from the Volkswagen Group. To make sure everything also runs smoothly when carrying out maintenance on it, we stock OE quality parts for all belt drive components, as I'm about to show you now. Next to me we have the most recent generation of diesel engines from the Volkswagen Group. I've brought along the EA288 evo standard diesel unit and the EA288 in a mild hybrid version. Millions of these engines have been fitted in models such as the VW Golf, Seat Leon and Skoda Octavia. They stand out with their impressive power, high torque and quiet running. These models have been on the market for 5 years and are now regularly coming into the workshop for maintenance. To make sure workshops are ideally equipped for carrying out maintenance on the belt drive, Continental offers you the product shown here for both the standard diesel and the mild hybrid version. Let's take a closer look at them now. Not only do we have our timing belt for the camshaft drive here for both the standard and mild hybrid diesel units, we also have the all-pump timing belt. Then we have our combined timing belt kit for the camshaft drive, which includes all the necessary components. And then there is our Pro kit, which contains everything plus the water pump and oil pump belt. If we keep looking here, we also have our multi-V belt for both engines and our multi-V belt kit complete with tensioner. Plus we have our torsional vibration damper, as well as the auxiliary water pump and the water pump for the timing belt drive as individual units. And then to make sure nothing can go wrong when setting the timing either, we also have our toolbox V08. As you can see, with Continental you're ideally equipped for carrying out maintenance on both engines. You can find any other information you might need in our Product Information Center. Okay, see you next time in the workshop.